demonstration of how to use Google Docs and convert your Google Doc to an accessible PDF using Snapverte add-on to read and write for Google. Why do we use this? So we can't change the original document. The PDF is accessible, it can be read aloud, use the highlighters, extract text, do everything read and write can do. But it also does not allow the student to change the original document, and your original document, once converted through Snapverte, maintains the formatting. So this is how we do it. File, download PDF, and it's going to pop it on your bottom toolbar. I'm going to go to my drive and locate my Snapverte folder, which I'm going to double click and open up. And I'm going to grab that downloaded PDF and drag it up to the drop here to convert folder. And it should show you a progress tool that comes up on the bottom right. The upload is completed. We can jump to the in progress folder, but eventually, give a few minutes, not even a few minutes, go to the finish folder and our document should be sitting there. And if it isn't, be patient, it will appear. So double click on the PDF, you're going to see the read and write for Google puzzle piece. It's opening the TextHelp PDF Reader toolbar, and it will automatically pull up that toolbar and the document in an accessible format. I'll just show you some of the features to be able to have it read aloud and also have students respond with a text box and also a push pin, but also add audio notes to the document. So I can click to speak.
List 5 strong adjectives that describe the main character.
Okay, so I'm deselecting that. And I can choose the typewriter text box. And just going to make this a little smaller. And I can type right in. The main character is resourceful, efficient. I can also use speech to text in the box, as you can see up here. Careless. I can resize that box. I can also select some of the text. You could use it as a cue to the student as well, and I could select the text and get a comment box. But the nice feature here is the student could respond with a voice note as well if they have difficulty with text to speech, speech to text, or the word prediction box. So the main character of the sniper is resourceful, efficient, careless, and impulsive. I can listen to that or just post the comment, and that's a voice note. One more way a student can respond is, or a teacher could cue the student, is to use a push pin. And let's just go and place that push pin in a certain location. And describe the author's intent for writing this story. You can give them a clue, and it disappears, not as a text box, but as a push pin. And keep in mind, a student could choose a different tool, a voice note or a text box to respond. You can also offer them some, I don't know why they do this, but a little drawing tool. It's a universal design option. When you go to submit and send to all students, and when the student at their end responds and is ready to hand in, make sure that you're going to share the annotation with the student in the top right-hand corner. You don't want to be sending them the blank document, and you don't want students to handing in the blank document. So that's how easy that is. And it will tell you it's ready to share. And I can click on the Google Classroom tool. It interfaces nicely with your Google Classroom account, and I can place it wherever I want it to go. And that's making an accessible PDF in Snapverte add-on to Read and Write for Google.